back to another video, Coincide Makers. Today we will continue our journey to the Kingdom Rush Vengeance. So let's start off with the video where we go into the campaign. Oops, actually it's not a campaign.
Really, nigga?
Well, I'm doing a shitty tutorial video because I've been posting a lot on Kingdom Rush and
Nice.
I've been missing shitty tutorials. So, I've finished all of the game modes in Dwarven Gate when I didn't do anything just to freak out. And then we're just right here. Yeah. We stop up in Golden Brewery. So we go on the Clockwork Factory next week or tomorrow. So today what we will be doing on shitty tutorials is from here we will go on the achievements that I can only find in here. So if I missed out a achievement, I'm sorry, but I didn't even know what's the other achievements in these campaigns. So let's start off with the first one. So in here, yeah, the gate is open.
Nice.
That where, yeah, there's like a thingy that will open near on the end. Like later that will open if that round we're going on the round 6. See? Sometimes it glows. So if you see that glow thing in that door, you can open it and then or click it so that when it opened, a guy will confront on the door. Yeah, like that. See that? He will confront. And then you will go inside so that you can get that chip. So next up is in the corridors of the old city. So in here is the Arnoledos. I think those ones you need to click it or point it if you're on CP. And then if all of them, yeah, see that? If all of them are now on rumpled, you can get the achievement here. Well, they are toughly to point it, yeah. After those 3, there's no one, it's just 3. So after you click it or point it, you can get the achievement. After the corridors of the old city, we go on the Kazan mines. The thing is you need to go play it. So I'll skip it on the part that I've clicked it or point it so that you can see what happens. Yeah, you see those? You need to click it so that it will break onto here. But before it goes towards here, you need to break it. Also, and there were actually 3, I'm sorry. There were actually 3 achievements. You see those things? Yeah, you need to whack them. And then if you whack them, it's just like a game where you need to whack those ones from the top. So after you click those, you can get the achievements. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, like that. Oh, and then also there's donkey. You need to click donkey so that you can get the achievement. Oh, so that's all of the achievement in the Kazan mines. There were 3 on the wacky ones, and then the dunking, and then the 5 cards that you need to destroy. Next up is the Golden Brewery, where we've finished it earlier, I think. Yeah, I'm sorry. So let's go towards the golden brew where we've last stopped. So I think the only achievement in here is to get click those ones. Yeah, you see that? That's so. To get the achievement is to click those and then click it again like 3 times. Yeah, you need to click it 3 times until this guy fell asleep. So I think those are all of the achievements that I know in here. Yeah, there's no more achievements left. The only technique to get achievement is like you just click some parts. Just clicking it while the game is going, or to get an achievement is like killing those ones like 5,000 to 5,000 or something. I don't know, but those are the techniques to get the achievements in game. Okay, let's go to the achievements. Here's is like win the first stage. Yeah, you know that. Win the first stage over here. 3 star. Let's go. Okay, here is far over the misty mountains. This is where we've clicked the door on the mountain and then a guy goes inside of it. Of course, he's Baldo. And then also the next one is the morph ball. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, armadillos. We've clicked